Your car's factory paint stays untouched, while we erase every door ding like it never happened. I'm here to show you exactly how Paintless Dent Repair works, and why, after 3 decades in San Angelo, Texas, we've made this our specialty. Watch as we use specialized PDR tools to gently massage the metal back to its original shape. The secret is in the lighting. It reveals every contour of the dent, so our technicians can read the metal like a map. Some dents we push from behind, others we pull from the surface. Then we fine-tune the surface for a seamless blend, and the result is always the same: factory perfection. No paint, no fillers, no waiting weeks for your car. Whether it's a shopping cart ding or a parking lot door hit, PDR brings the panel back to showroom condition, like the dent was never there. Clean, precise, and done right. Why choose PDR? It keeps your factory paint, offers faster turnaround, is more affordable than traditional bodywork, and it's environmentally friendly. At Angelo Dent Removal Inc., we've spent 3 decades mastering the art of paintless dent repair, serving the Concho Valley with results that have to be seen to be believed. Certified technicians, advanced lighting, and proven techniques. We read the panel like a map and restore it to true shape. That's why PDR is the industry-preferred method for clean, affordable results. Visit us in San Angelo, or call today at 325-703-6149.